Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics the day before an exam. This guide focuses on smart, efficient review rather than last-minute cramming. Your goal is to solidify understanding, not to learn new material. We will cover key strategies to maximize your preparation time, ensuring you feel confident and ready. Remember, a focused approach for a few hours is far more effective than aimless studying for many. Let's get started with a clear plan. To make your review effective, begin by identifying the most crucial topics. Dedicate about 1/3 of your review time to these high-priority areas. Compile a personal formula sheet. Writing them out helps with recall. Quickly scan through chapter summaries and worked examples to refresh your memory on problem-solving approaches. This targeted review ensures you cover the most ground efficiently in a limited time frame. Active problem-solving is key. Select one or two diverse problems per concept and work through them completely. Focus on the process, setting up the problem, identifying relevant formulas, and executing the calculations. Always double-check your units and ensure your answers have the correct number of significant figures. Understanding the methodology behind each solution is far more valuable than simply getting the right answer, preparing you for variations on the exam. As the exam approaches, prioritize your well-being. Aim for a full 8 hours of sleep to ensure your mind is sharp and rested. On exam day, eat a nutritious breakfast and drink plenty of water. Avoid last-minute cramming. Instead, take a few deep breaths and trust the hard work you've already put in. A positive mindset and a calm approach will significantly enhance your performance. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.